Hey guys, Tassin with Dead Air Silencers. I'm here with Junior from Burnproof Gear, and we're going to go over a little bit of why you might want a suppressor cover with your Dead Air silencer. Why don't you take it away?
Thanks, man. So basically, we got a Sandman S over here from Dead Air. If you're watching this video, you're very familiar with it. It's one of their staple cans. You got your chemo muzzle locking system here. Goes on to the muzzle device, chemo muzzle device, and essentially, you want it to be installed in a way where it's not going to fly forward, right? And that's what we do. We make suppressor covers that are very, very, very durable. You can do full auto, shoot the hell out of it. Why do you need a suppressor cover? It's going to keep you from burning your pants, burning somebody else, burning your kit, burning your bag. It's going to keep mirage off of your optic. It's a huge safety feature. Damaging your can if you're hunting or shooting or going through any CQB. And it's a great way to store your can, so when you're done shooting, you can put that can away and you're not going to burn your bag and your gear. So I'm going to do a quick little demonstration here how to install the suppressor cover, so when you guys buy yours through Dead Air, you can go ahead and install it really quick. So you're going to put the sleeving on that's going to come inside the cover. You're going to make sure that you got about a 1/4 inch exposed on the back, so the cover can grab onto it and keep it from rotating. And you're going to want about a 1/4 inch exposed on the front, so the cover can also cinch around and grab it and not walk off. When you have the cover installed, if you're running a flash hider end cap from Dead Air like this one, or you're running an e-brake, you want to keep the front basically flush. You don't want to overhang the front at all, so the flash hider or the e-brake doesn't mess up the cover, just like so. And then you're gonna have a cinch around the back all the way so it won't fly off. Yes, you're gonna have to loosen the cover to remove the can, but this is the best way to run it if you're running this type of system here on the Sierra 5 with a chemo and a flash hider end cap. Now, on a standard Sandman S, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the sleeving on, you're gonna measure, you're gonna get a little idea of where you wanna cut it, and you're gonna cut this sleeving off, right, the excess. So I wanna take about 1.5 inches off, right, that I've already gotten an idea of how much I wanna remove. Just like that. You could use like a silver Sharpie to mark it. You're gonna cut this bad boy here to take off the excess sleeving. Medical shears, good titanium scissors work. You're gonna go here, slide it back on, boom, and we're good to go, right? Now I'm gonna take the cover, I'm gonna remove the bungee from it, right there. It's made nice and tight so it doesn't come out. You're gonna remove the rope, loosen the back so you can slide the cover in. You're gonna get a little bit of excess here so you can get that in there. And then you're gonna slide the cover in like that. Boom. And now you're gonna essentially start to tighten it, walking it back. You're gonna cinch it on the front like that. And now you're gonna work your way back, tightening the cover all the way. So this one was made for a 1.6 diameter can, so like a Wolfman, and on a 1.5 like the Sandman S, you can run 2 sleevings to give it a little bit of extra insulation, but we're just only running 1 right now. But as you can see, you're cinching it on. You want to work it in so it covers the back as well, and as long as it's cinching on just enough on the back like that, it won't fly off. Run the rope around, nice and tight. You're gonna take the bungee, loop it once, however many times you can get her around. I'm just gonna do a 1 loop, pull the bungee through, like that, loop it around. I can probably get 1 more loop, now I'm good to go. That is a perfect installation. It's not gonna fly off. It's cinched onto the back, so it's got just enough so it won't go flying, cinch on the front so it won't walk back, and now you're good to go.
Awesome. Thanks very much. Guys, if you want to know more about the Burnproof Gear silencer covers, check out deadairsilencers.com.